Test 1 2 1 2. Yeah, life has a way of. Anyway, morning. You listening to Hunty, or should I'm gonna post the name I'm gonna use for this YouTube channel is ConsX because that's the first nickname I came up with, and it's like the most dumbest nickname I've ever heard in my life, and I don't know why I chose to chose because they never gave me the nickname, I gave it to myself and it just stick. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get my old Gmail account back. Yeah, and then I'm gonna name it. So yeah, I've decided to make a YouTube channel. You're speaking to ConsX. Yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. So in the way I'm gonna make the YouTube channel, I'm gonna post the random things I do in my daily life. If I find something interesting, I just post it there. Because life has driven me to a point of insanity. That's why I'm even making a YouTube channel. Life is a funny way of, yeah. So yeah, this is gonna be my first test, and today I wanna post at least one video today. At least one video. It's either I'm gonna record myself watching My Hero Academia because there's My Hero Academia on my left side. I'm gonna record myself watching it, or maybe give it a review. I've started rewatching it. Maybe thingy, each episode, or I can record myself doing some C++, or I can record myself playing some Sudoku, or I don't know, anything pops up, or I just want to see something random, And if I find something interesting, I'll just post it on YouTube. I'm using Linux on my PC. I've installed Linux. I'm pretty good at this stuff, but I'm not as good as I want to be. I'm still learning. But part of me thinks I'm very stupid because right now, as I'm standing right now, I'm trying to install OBS Studio, but when I pressed the install button, it took me to a browser. And no, man, you know what? I should be showing this. No, I should be showing this. I shouldn't just be saying this. No. I'm living in my Steady rolling up that premium Zaza. Pray before I smoke. I'm feeling like a rasta. These days I even. Okay, I've decided I'll just make a mini Sudoku puzzle while this thing is downloading, this OBS Studio Unofficial. The fact that it says unofficial makes me so scared. I don't even know what OBS Studio is. Yeah, but let me just make a Sudoku puzzle and just post it online. And if I struggle around it, maybe Sudoku enthusiasts will just put in their input and just leave. You don't have to subscribe or anything. It's just a input channel. You can just give me your inputs because, yeah. Okay, let me just start the Sudoku. Second recording. I just heard my first recording and that sounded okay, but overall the quality I could tell. I'm gonna try to change the settings and whatever. Either way, I just did the Sudoku puzzle right now. I'll just act like I'm giving myself. I'm starting to get into the mentality of YouTubers, how they think about their day and how they plan out their days in the videos. Because right now I did the puzzle, and now I'm gonna talk like I just finished the puzzle. Like you have to really move to the past. You have to really like imagine the past in your mind. You have to like create the past and like talk no not talk no look explain step by step what you were thinking in that thought process and stuff like that. That's very difficult. Hey, that takes a special skill to do that. Anyway, I just did the puzzle right now. That puzzle was so difficult. Jesus, I couldn't believe how difficult the puzzle was. To confirm that it was difficult, I went and checked the Sudoku solver, and it showed me other things I cannot comprehend, like things that are beyond my understanding. Like, what? There's this thing called X chain. I'm like, what? So as I'm recording right now, I'm sure the puzzle is playing in the background, and at the end of the puzzle I'm stuck. And if you want to finish the puzzle, you can screenshot the puzzle and yeah, you know. Oh, last and final recording, and now I'm making the recording. I've realized when I output this on YouTube, it's going to probably be the most confusing video to some people. Like, what the hell is going on? But maybe that's what we need on YouTube. We need like pure videos like this where everything is not so perfect to a point where you question whether it's AI or not. Either way, maybe I'm just bullshitting myself. I'm trying to justify the crap I just made. Either way, it's my crap and I'm gonna post it, and yeah. Anyway, as I was saying, what was I saying? I forgot what was I saying. Oh yeah, now I remember. The OBS Studio thingy Apple. It's used for streaming and it's used for recording on the PC. It's not used for recording on the phone. It's not video editing or software as far as because I've been checking it out. So I've installed a new app. The name of the app is Shortcut, but the way you write the shortcut, there's no R. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not seeing it clearly. No, that's SHOTCUT. Shortcut. I have no idea why they named it that way. But either way, it's working and everything is good. So yeah, I'm just saying this just in case someone stumbles into this, is interested. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn this video into a how to become a YouTuber beginner tutorials for dummies, like how to become a YouTube, like that book that they that book that they always like C++ for dummies, driving for dummies. I'm gonna name my thingy, what I'm doing right now, how to become how to become a YouTuber for dummies. Yeah, I'm gonna put okay guys, enjoy the rest of the video.